Alright, welcome back everyone to part 2 of Outlast. So a lot of you seem to really enjoy the first part I put out, so I thought I would continue it and make a few more episodes on it. And who knows, we might continue it and end up beating the full game. But in the first part, we basically just pulled up to the Asylum and went inside and got a feel for the game. And we had to turn on 2 generators, and we got chased, which wasn't, a pleasant experience as you would imagine. But we ended up getting through it, and just when I thought we were safe, we got drugged and put in a solitary confinement cell. And that's where the video ended. I left it on a cliffhanger. So we're going to get back in there and continue it. Okay, here we are. Back in the cell. I'm pretty sure I remember someone opening the door last time, so we're going to wait for him. Yep. Thanks, buddy. Where'd he go? Yeah, this is definitely an insane asylum. Well... Oh my god. You could have just used a doorknob right there. Oh man. Don't touch me, dude. Okay. This is, pretty creepy. I don't like this. I feel like one of them's gonna grab me or chase me. Whoa.
Away. Who's this? Maybe Father Martin's man. Maybe. He looks nervous. I would like to kill him. As
me?
The preacher asked us not to. It would be impolite. Not here. We give him a running start. There's an idea. And when we kill him slow. Such patience. I want his tongue. And liver. They are yours.
Okay, I don't like these two. I'm pretty sure they're talking about me and they're not saying anything nice. Oh my god, they're naked. Let me just confirm. Yeah, they're naked.
You look like you've seen a ghost.
Shut up, don't talk to me. Okay, where do we have to... Whoa, whoa, whoa.
They're in my blood and they want to get out. I can feel.
You okay? Okay, I'm gonna take that as a no. Okay, let's just find out how we make progress and stop, getting involved with these people. Because I don't like any of them. Okay, we can go that way. Wait a second. Okay, I think we have to go across that ledge right there to get over there. But, well, I mean, there's no way I'm going through that door over there with the twins over there. There's no way. Okay, I don't know why I tried to open that with them in there. There's got to be a key, though. Because there's no way they expect us to go in here.
Don't trust them. They'll tell you it's science, but it's not. They were waiting for us in this place. Billy understood. They've always been here.
Okay, well this guy seems the most normal, but he doesn't really look it. Oh my god, that scared me. Oh, what's going on with his mouth? Okay, I don't know where to go right now. Oh, I guess right here. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead and reload our camera.
You weren't invited to this, you goddamn sicko!
Hey! Oh! Hey, you... Oh,
Oh, battery. Thank you. Okay. So go over here where the light is. And the dead guy, I guess. Oh, wait. Oh, they're gone now. Okay, well, we gotta go this way.
voices, they pulled me back. No more sleep. Sleep no more. Space.
I didn't wait until I finished. Oh, but I saved some for you.
Wait, is he chasing me? Follow the blood trails to the exit. Okay, I'm gonna assume that crazy guy's chasing me. Although I hope I'm wrong. Oh boy. Down the drain, okay. I'm gonna listen to him. Closing doors behind you will slow your pursuit. See, why are they telling me that? I don't like that.
They weren't experiments. They were rituals. A conjuring.
I think we just gotta go this way. Whoa. Wait, is he gonna attack me? Don't mind me, I have no issue with what you did. Okay, let's get out of here. Oh my... Oh, there's more of them. Oh god, okay. I did see lockers over here, so we're gonna hide. Wait, where'd I see them? Oh my god, he knows we're here. Ow. Okay, we're gonna lock him in. Okay, I'm gonna hide. Oh, man. Wait, is he in here already? I'm gonna exit and hope that I'm not gonna die. Okay. Activate airlock. Follow the blood. Okay, get ready to run, guys. We're gonna have to break his ankles. Come here. Okay, he waited. That was smart on him. Okay, we did it. Oh my god, not these guys again.
In the suppression of our desires. But now we know.
Jump over and hang. Press A while moving towards the ledge.
Yours. Mine.
I don't like that they're naked. I don't want to see all that. Ah, okay. Just don't let go. Alright, more documents that we don't need. Any batteries, though? I'll take those. Oh my god. He just ripped his head off. Okay, I do remember him, though. I remember that big guy. Oh, keycard. Keycard to access the shower room.
Get flushed with the rest of us.
Okay, here we go. Oh man, I really need a battery.
My God.
Wait, is this it? Are we gonna get outside already?
Trace. It was my intention. He thinks we're assholes. Oh, stupid. Let's pull him in and slit his belly open.
Oh. Oh. Okay, get me out of here. Okay, I think I'm going the right way. I'm kind of guessing right now, but... Oh yeah, here we go. Oh god. Oh, that's not good. Okay, there's no way he can fit up here, though. Oh my god. I'm gonna die. Okay, that's supposed to happen. Oh my god, I really need new batteries. Whoa! Oh, I do have batteries. Where is he? Oh, okay, he's right there. I don't think he can see us right now. I'm gonna hide. Oh no. Okay. Oh god. Oh, it's locked. Is he below me or is he up here with me? Okay, I think it's below. Oh god. Speed it up. Oh my. I kind of missed it, so he didn't really scare me.
What did we use it for?
Oh, battery. Oh, good. Oh, here we go. Whoa. Thank you. Okay, we gotta turn that on. Oh, no, the battery. Okay, I'm gonna reload my camcorder now.
What the fuck? Who's there?
Is he gonna... Is he gonna attack me? Yep, he did.
Go your fucking self.
Oh! Oh, that could have been bad. Hi. Okay. Okay, I can't go that way. Oh, we gotta go down here? Oh, I don't know how I feel about this. Guess we'll go this way. Flush the water. Oh, okay, we gotta drain that. What was that? Oh my god. Wait, where's it going? I don't need documents right now. I feel like he knows how to get to me, so he's going like a different way. I hope. Okay, we should be good. For now. Oh my god! Okay. Oh, I messed up. I made a mistake. Oh no. Locker! Okay, he's going that way. I didn't like that. I like how he always checks like the opposite locker I'm actually in. I mean, I'm not complaining. Okay. Oh no. Oh! Oh, I think closing the door saved their life right there. Oh, man. Okay, I know what I need to do. We're gonna wait for him to get some distance, and then we're gonna run past him and go in that little crawl space where he can't get us. That way we can get off this side of the map, because we're kind of cornered. Jump! Okay. Okay, I'm pretty sure he can't get to us over here. Unless he drops like 200 pounds. He won't be fitting through here anytime soon. Oh, he's camping where I need to be. Okay, wait, that's good. Yep, I'm over there, buddy. Go check it out. Oh, we did it. Oh. It's unlucky. Couldn't be me, though. Don't hurt me. New objective. That's been our objective this whole time. Who's singing? Everywhere we go, there's something to worry about. I don't like it.
The doctor's dead. You know, right? Dr. Barry died before he even started work.
Whoa. It's all blood. Or bloody water, at least. Dang. You okay? What was that? Oh, that's pretty deep, isn't it? Oh, I got a bad feeling about this. Okay, it's not that deep. Kind of feels like it, though. Okay, good. Needed one of those. Oh, right here. Oh, it is deep. Never mind. Just hope there's no sewer monster down here in the water. What was that? Yeah, I got a bad feeling about this. Oh my god, he's down here. Okay. I'm not gonna panic. I have no more batteries either. Okay, I'm kind of panicking now. Oh boy. Wait, he doesn't hear us. Oh my god, there's light. Is this it? Oh boy. Oh my god. I'm actually good at this game. Oh! Get back, and then he runs away from me? Oh, I'd have been so mad if I died after all that to him. You have any batteries on you I can use? Is that guy naked? It's like a naked guy running in the sewers. I have no batteries. Okay, we will not be going in there. Reach the ground floor. Okay. Oh. Okay, I feel like I missed a battery somewhere because I don't know. It's a bit dark and I don't have any. Should I run? Okay, I'm gonna slam that and run. Okay, I'm gonna go back in. Hello? Oh, battery. Okay, good. Oh, wow. That guy's got it rough. Oh, no. Oh, my God. Okay, hurry up. Oh, God. Oh, I can't be doing this. I don't like it. Oh, they're right there. Okay. Oh, good thing I made that jump. Oh my... Wait, it's not over? Oh my God. Whoa, 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 whoa. Huh. Oh, we gotta go up here. How am I supposed to know that?
Down there! You're not one of them, are you? Quick, get in the dumbwaiter if you want to live!
Okay, open it.
God damn it!
Oh my God.
You made the right choice here, buddy. Hey, you're that bullshit priest's guy, aren't you? As a witness or whatever, you must be exhausted. No, let's take a break, huh, buddy? The old 2-martini lunch? Have a little confab, blah, blah. Heavier than you look. A little cardio in there. Okay, here we go, arms and legs inside the car at all times.
Oh, this isn't good.
You know, I love the mountain air up here at night.
Oh, the exit's right there.
Take a stroll. Go ahead, I'll wait here. Go on, run free. I'm in no hurry. No? All right. Nose
Not
to the grindstone, not like that. Okay then, right this way.
Not funny. Okay, where is he taking us? I don't like this.
Probably not find any use anyway. Truth be told, I was just tired of looking at these dance.
This place is not very sanitary.
Thanks so much for coming by. We'll begin your consultation in a moment. It'll just
wash up and, oh, movies. And it'll give us a chance to talk.
Why are his cheeks out? I don't like that.
Holier than thou, Bible thumping. No offense to the man, but I sometimes worry he might just be a little bit crazy. It's understandable. If you get scared, there's like to turn to God as anything else. And God died with the gold standard. We're on to a more concrete faith now. You have to rob Paul to pay Peter. There's no other way. Murder in it is the simplest form, but what happens when all money's gone? Well, money becomes a matter of faith. And that's what I'm here for. To make you
Where'd you get that from?
believe. You paying attention? Don't pass that on me. There's so much for you to absorb. Better now, right? Here's how we cheat you. We make the consumer into the means of production. This thing is gonna sell itself.
Oh, I'm missing 2 fingers. Okay, that was easy. Okay, at least we got our camera back, though. That's good. Okay, I'm gonna leave part 2 there. I've been recording for about an hour now. I'm a bit tense from all the chasing and running. So, I'm gonna leave it here. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.